Honor and respect to you, family. We here again, and a beautiful day for another video. Today I'm gonna talk about. Well, it's a question. Somebody asked me a question, and I figured, hey, I'm gonna come out and be honest, be kind of like come out and be clean about it. Someone asked me, since I do speak, well, they kind of feel like I speak Creole, I speak English, and I speak French. Why don't I make certain videos or videos in French on my channel? So since I answer the person, I'm like, maybe other people might have the same question. In case you probably listen to a few videos here and there and kind of like wondering. So I figured, like, let me just answer. First of all, I did make an announcement that I was going to make some videos in French on my channels. Then again, after a while, I thought about it and I changed my mind. I changed my mind for many reasons, and I have to be clear about that. When it comes to like, I speak English and French, I would say, yeah, I try my very best. I try my very best because, like I said, Creole is really my native language. But of course, we try our very best, in French and English. I'm working on my Spanish too, but really, I would say I speak Creole 100%. The other languages, I would say I'm trying to be as best as possible as I can. However, the reason why I choose not to do my videos in French on the channel is because of the following reasons, for many reasons. First of all, when the time comes, when it's necessary, I will do it. If I am addressing to a certain group of people in the world who speak French, I will do it. Although, like at home, Creole is it's our first language. That's our native language. And since we were colonized by the French, so we do speak French. French play a big role in our society. However, also that same French also creates some kind of huge discrimination or prejudice within the society itself, because some people with the house negro mentality feel like because they do speak French or they attend certain French institution or whatever schools, they feel like it's like they divide the society into different class. So just because some people do speak French, they feel like they like so bougie or they better than the other person, the average person, or they feel like they are more like in a superiority because of that. And I think one of the reasons why that happened also is because of the BS system of education that we have back home. The reason why I say that it's a BS, because the education system that we have at home, the curriculum is really still managed by the Westerns. So it's like it's really by friends, Canada, the US, which make no damn sense to me. And of course, you have citizens going to school really, but who have nothing, like we're basically preparing generations that have no connection with the country because they are not learning anything that is structured based on the country will constitution. And the reason why is because we are not, as a country, we are not operating on our true constitution, which is the one of 1805. So because of that, there's so many crap that is happening. So we still have a lot of people with that Western mentality. They know everything else about outside, but nothing about their true identity, their true culture. Because, like I said, the education system is managed, I said, is controlled by the Westerns, and that says a lot. So because of that, it creates that division. And I'm not trying to be into that logic, fall into the logic of pleasing my community, certain one of them, to make them feel like they are comfortable in that bougie class just because they do speak French and looking down to the other brothers and sisters. I'm not falling into that. I think the slave mentality, it's time that we get out of it and understand our true nature as like a nation, and understand like all the arms we've been doing to ourselves just by being operating on something else other than our true identity or our true constitution. So that's the reason why I do not do any video when it comes to French whatever on the channel. But anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Again, honor and respect, that's what you deserve.